Good morning. Well, today is Gandhi Jayanti, and when we talk about Gandhi Jayanti, we think of Mahatma Gandhi. And whenever we think of Mahatma Gandhi, two words come to our mind: truth and non-violence. As Gandhi was a staunch believer in these two ideals, he used truth and non-violence as his tools during India's freedom struggle against the British colonial rule. Today, we are observing his 151st birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi, we are all familiar. What is Jayanti? Actually, Jayanti is the name of a goddesses, but for all practical purpose, thinking of Gandhi ji, it also means, Jayanti means victory, or the name of success, or victory over your conscience, victory over what is right and what is good. Even after 151st year, his ideals of truth and non-violence still remains relevant in the 21st century. Gandhiji believed that truth is the relative truthfulness in word and deed, whatever we speak and whatever is our action. And absolute truth, according to him, is the ultimate reality. The ultimate reality, according to Mahatma Gandhi, was God and morality. What do you understand by morality? Of course, it deals with moral values, but more importantly, morality means the principles that governs the distinction between what is right and what is wrong, what is good behavior and what is bad behavior. And I think he was a staunch believer of morality. According to Gandhi, non-violence implies uttermost selflessness. That means service above self. When we do things above ourselves, we don't think about ourselves. It means if anyone wants to realize himself, or if he wants to search for the truth, he has to believe in such a way that others will think him entirely safe. In other words, others will think to be with him, to talk to him, to work with him would be quite safe. I think in that respect we remain non-violent according to the ideals of relationship. I suggest, my dear students, that 2nd October, the world all around, we are observing Gandhi Jayanti. It would be nice if you can pick up either the e-book or the book, if you have in hand, his autobiography, the story of my experiments with truth. Just think about the implication of the word my experiments with truth. We talk about experiments in science lab where we have certain, after going through a process of experimenting with some science activity, we have our findings and we establish the findings. what does Gandhiji implied by his experiments with truth? That means he has gone through certain vicissitudes. Vicissitudes means certain ups and downs, certain bad phase, certain good phase, and ultimately, ultimate reality, what he felt truth was, he adapted it for good. And he used these experiments to move from the past, leave aside the past, and think of the future. And he also used these experiments to develop self awareness. If you have the sense of self awareness that what I am doing is right, what I am saying is right, the way I am behaving is right, I know what is right, what is wrong, and what to do at the right time. All this comes from self awareness. And another purpose of his experiment with truth is that it developed in him a passion, and that passion for his country, the passion for the patriotism, the strong feeling that he should fight for his country. All these are a very integral part of his experiments with truth. So, today, Gandhi Jayanti, I wish you all Jayanti, success, and victory. Established it as an ultimate reality, and also imbibe the quality of non-violence, so that people who are with you will feel entirely safe having a relationship with you. Thank you. Wish you a wonderful day, today being a holiday. Thank you.